In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to download and install Need for Speed, the racing game, onto your iPhone. Now, this is very simple. All you have to do is go to the Apple App Store, launch it, and then in the Apple App Store, you want to tap on the search function in the bottom right corner, and then type NFS Mobile and search. Okay. Now, NFS Mobile has been renamed. It's now called Need for Speed No Limits. Okay. Now, this is the official game from Electronic Arts, as you can see. So just make sure you get the correct app. This is it. Now, this app, before you install, you need to know that it's gonna take up 3.7 gigs or 3.67 gigs of storage on your iPhone. So make sure you have that storage space available. If not, then you want to exit out of here fast and then go sort out your storage issues until you have cleared at least 4 gigs of storage space. Okay, because this is the size of the app. Of course, the more you play, the more space it's going to occupy. So if you have that space available, then just go ahead and tap on the get button. Then you might need to confirm your identity. So just go ahead and do that by double pressing the side button, and the install should begin. It's a big game, so should take a big chunk of your storage space. And also if you have a planned data plan, then it's going to take a lot of that. But that is basically how to download and install Need for Speed onto your iPhone. Once it's done, there's going to be an icon in the app screen. Actually, it's already here. So as you can see, it's right here already. As soon as it's playable, then you'll be able to tap on the icon and start playing around and racing with even your friends on Need for Speed. Thanks for watching and good luck.